What is up, everybody? Zach from Motor Chronicles. Got another product from EVBase. This time it's going to be a carbon fiber lip for the Tesla Model Y Juniper. So going to throw this thing on. Hope you guys enjoy. So it comes really nicely packaged. Looks like it's really well made. Nice and light. So it looks like bound the back of here. Oh, that's so sick. That's 1,000 times better. I was worried it was going to be too out. Well, quick little look. Looks good. So in the box, you obviously got your lip. We're going to put on the car. Got instructions with some QR codes. Masking tape. It's nice they give you this. You got basically a template thing. I'll show you guys how we're going to use this. And then this is extra double-sided tape. So if you don't mess up, you shouldn't even need this. But let's go ahead and get started. So first thing you'll do is just take some quick detail spray. Something along those lines, not something that's waxy, because you don't want to put a coating on it. You actually want to strip all that off. So I'm going to use quick detail spray to clean the whole area. So once we have that whole area clean, I'm just going to take a little bit of rubbing alcohol here. Should help strip any coatings, waxes, or anything that are left on. And we're going to go just on the area we're actually going to put the tape for the spoiler. All right, now that we got the area all prepped, we're going to go ahead and place the lip on the car. Get it close to where we think it's lined up. And then we're gonna measure from the tip of the lip here in a straight line towards the break of the hatch in the rear quarter panel. And the number you're looking for is about 4 5/8. So this sticker is basically just gonna give you a little idea of where it needs to go. So now they give you a bunch of masking tape, and you could tape over here and line it up perfectly, but in my opinion, with the way the body lines are on the Juniper, at least, this is pretty easy to line up. Kind of just fits on the Juniper, so I'm not going to deal with really taping anything else off. I'm just going to go ahead and put this thing on. So the first thing we're going to want to do is start all of this sticky tape. And so what we're going to do is we're going to pull it out and leave them either up or down, just like that. So when you put this on the car, you'll be able to stick it on, and the tape you'll be able to pull off as it comes off. So we got that sticker there, so we know about where it needs to go. Make sure our tapes stay out. I'm just gonna take the tape all the way off. I've done this enough times with these things. The Subaru Vortex Raider was the same way. They say leave this stuff on. Or just try and get it right the first time you put it on, and know that as long as you don't put it all on at once, it'll be all right. Pull that sticker off. So once you got it all on there, you could take a nice microfiber so you're not scratching your paint or the lip, and then really just work that double-sided tape into the car. And then lucky for us, it's a sunny day, so we'll pull it out, let it sit in the sun a little bit, let that tape heat up, and then I'll compress it some more. All right, now that we've had it sitting in the sun for like 30 minutes, given the adhesive some time to warm up, we're gonna go ahead and just kind of push it down on there one more time, get that really tight fitting, especially on these corners on either side, because that looks like it's the area that's gonna wanna lift up. And that's that, guys. That's the install. It looks really good. I'm really happy with it. Makes the trunk line look way, way, way better. Use code Redwood, 20% off, and it supports the channel. So cheers, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed.